Today we will study a lesson from science, and this lesson is from CBSE, and the name of the lesson is food. Where does it come from? What is the name of the lesson?
Food.
Please stand up. Please stand up. Please stand up. You can take your notebook in your hand.
Food. Where does it come from?
Very good. Who wants to repeat the name of the lesson? Food. Where does it come from? Please repeat the answer.
Food. Where does it come from?
Okay. Please repeat the answer.
Food. Where does it come from?
Okay. Pari, can you read the keywords from the lesson? Keywords from the lesson?
Ingredients. Edibles. Sunflower seeds. Carnivore. Omnivore.
Okay. I will read. Okay, I will read. Give me your notebook. Please give me your notebook. See, the keywords are like this. You read the keywords after me. Say ingredients. Say ingredients.
Ingredients.
Edible. Nectar. Sprouted seeds. Herbivore. Carnivore. Omnivore. Okay. Take your notebook. Now tell me. See, there are different regions in India. India is a big country, and there are different regions of India. So, what can you tell me about the food which is eaten in different regions of India? What can you tell me about the food?
There is a lot of variation in the food eaten in different regions of India.
Okay, very good. Can you repeat that?
There is a lot of variations in the food eaten in different
Regions of India. From boys side, who wants to read that? Do you want to read? Please stand up. Please stand up.
There is a lot of variation in the food
Okay, very good, very good. Now, tell me, which are the main sources of our food? Which are the main sources of our food? Which are the two main sources of our food? Sorry?
plants and animals.
Plants and animals are two main sources of our food. Do you want to repeat the answer?
Plants and animals.
Plants and animals. Okay, repeat the answer.
Plants and animals.
Please repeat the answer.
Plants and animals.
Okay, please repeat the
Plants
answer.
and animals.
Plants and animals are the two main sources of our food. Very good. Now tell me, which animals are known as herbivores? Which animals are known as herbivores? Please tell the answer.
Animals which eat only plants are called herbivores.
Very good. Repeat the answer.
Animals which eat only plants are called
Herbivores. Please repeat the answer.
Animals which eat only plants are called herbivores.
Yes, please repeat the answer.
Animals which eat only plants called
Herbivores. Please repeat the answer. Please repeat the answer.
animals which eat only plants are called
Herbivores. Please repeat the answer.
animals which eat only plants are called
Herbivores. Please repeat the answer.
animals which eat only plants are called
Herbivores. Do you want to read the answer?
animals which eat only animals
No, only plants
only plants
are called.
herbivores.
Okay, nice try. Now tell me, which animals are known as carnivore? Wait, I will ask one more question. Give me some examples of herbivore animals. Give me some examples of herbivores. Yes, Pari?
Deer,
Deer is an example of herbivore animal.
deer, cow, buffalo,
Okay, very good. Do you want to add to that?
ox, cow, buffalo,
Ox, cow, buffalo. Very good. Nice. Do you want to add?
cow, sheep, and ox,
Cow, sheep, ox. So oxen or ox. Yes.
cat, dog.
Cat. No. Cat and dog, they are not herbivores. Sit down. They are not herbivores. Herbivores are animals which eat only plants. Cow, then ox, then sheep, then deer, buffalo. These are examples of herbivores. Now tell me, which are carnivorous animals? Which are carnivore animals or which are carnivores? Which animals are called as carnivores? Yes, please repeat. Please. No. You give me the definition. First, give me the definition.
Animals which eat only animals are called carnivores.
Okay. Repeat the definition of carnivores.
Animals which eat only animals are called
Carnivores. Please repeat the definition.
animals which eat only animals are called carnivores.
Carnivores. Please repeat the definition.
Animals which eat only animals are called carnivores.
Carnivores. Please repeat the definition. Say loudly.
Animals which eat only animals are called
Carnivores. Okay, very good.
Animals which eat only animals are called carnivores.
Carnivores. Very good.
Animals which eat only animals are called carnivores.
Okay, I will ask you a different question. Huh? Give me some examples of carnivores. Examples of carnivores. Lion, tiger. Very good. Again, we will add to that. Lion, tiger again. Examples of carnivores. Yes, fox is also a carnivore. Do you want to tell something more? Do you want to add? No. Elephant is not a carnivore. Elephant is herbivore. Elephant is only leaves and branches of the tree. So elephant is herbivore. Okay. Carnivore. Tiger, fox, lion, cheetah. These are examples of carnivores. Okay, very good. Now my next question is, which animals are known as omnivores? Which animals are known as omnivores? Please stand up. Omnivores, tell me what which are? Yes. No. I want definition first. Which animals are known as omnivores?
Animals which eat both plants as well as other animals are called omnivores.
Okay, very good. Do you want to repeat the answer?
Animals which eat both plants as well as other animals are called omnivores.
Very good. Please repeat the definition. And last.
Animals which eat both plants as well as other animals are called omnivores.
Okay, very good. Please repeat the definition.
Animals which eat both plants as well as other animals are called omnivores.
Okay, please repeat the definition.
Animals which eat both plants as well as other animals are called omnivores.
Okay, very good. Please repeat.
Animals which eat both plants
As well as other animals.
other animals are called
Omnivores. Do you want to repeat the definition?
Animals which eat both plants and
Sit properly. Don't speak. Sit properly. Okay. Now give me some examples of omnivores. Who will give examples of omnivores? Please. Cat, dog. Okay. Do you want to add something to that? Cat, dog again. Huh? Okay, cat and dog.
Cat and dog and sparrow.
Sparrow also. Birds. Different birds. They are also examples of omnivores. So have you understood this lesson in short? Have you understood or not? So we will prepare for foundation. Okay. We will study science of CBSE in our school. Have you enjoyed this class? Yes or no?